The purpose of this video is to show what kind of difference does it make when one installs a math coprocessor to a very old laptop. So this is actually an IBM L40SX running 386SX at 20 megahertz. Over here I have the math coprocessor, and then I have done actually a benchmark, Whetstone single precision benchmark. These figures are prior installing the math coprocessor, and these figures are after installing the math coprocessor. So the difference is quite remarkable. Let me put this camera here, and I'll now install the math coprocessor. This IBM laptop has been refurbished, so what I actually did, I had to change the capacitors. They had all leaked, and toasted one FET, but now it's in fairly good shape. So let me plug this coprocessor in here, keyboard back, and then we will start the device. So it's a big difference with this math coprocessor installed, as you have seen. It's a very simple job. You can find these coprocessors quite cheap from eBay, for example. I will include the link of this benchmark that I have done, link to the website where you can find more information about it. But it's quite widely used and has been around for a fairly long time. Thanks for watching.